Hi, I'm Ashley. Giving your front door a fresh pop of color is a great way to boost your home's curb appeal. And with the Flexio 4300 sprayer from Wagner, you'll get it done fast and with professional-looking results. And it's fun and easy.
Here's a list of things you'll need. Wagner's Flexio 4300 exterior paint, enough for 2 coats. Paper or plastic sheeting and painter's tape to protect the house around the door to cover up door hardware like hinges and doorknobs. Canvas drop cloths to protect the ground and anything nearby that you don't want paint on. And we recommend wearing a dust mask and safety glasses whenever you're spraying. Before painting, make sure you're cleaning the door with a damp rag so you're not spraying paint over dirt. Also, sand smooth as needed with 150 grit or higher sandpaper. And here's a pro tip. Remove the weather stripping around the door. Then you can paint all the way to the edge of the door while keeping it closed to ensure paint doesn't get inside the house. The Flexio 4300 comes with a gravity spray gun, which is perfect for jobs like this where it might be difficult getting into corners and other tight areas. Set the airflow control to high and the material flow control up. Be sure to test your sprayer on some cardboard to make sure you got your settings right and make more adjustments if needed. Now adjust your nozzle for up and down spraying since we'll be spraying in a long direction of the door. Now you're ready to spray. If you're changing the color of your door, 2 coats of paint might be needed for most coverage.
So what do you think? By painting our front door, we've made the entrance to our home so much more inviting.
We hope we've inspired you to try painting your own front door. For more videos like this, and to see Wagner's complete line of painting products, please visit wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching!